Hello YouTube, 3000 subscribers, I'm fucking red, 3000 subscribers, awesome. Today I will be, first of all, 3000 subscribers, thank you very much. You know, last time I actually talked about this thing, I had like 300 I believe. So yeah, awesome. If you're new to the channel, sub would be nice. Cheers, it's Friday and summer is around the corner, so yeah, finally. I was actually assembling this nightlight. I bought this thing off of eBay, and this is for American outlets, and I am in Europe, so that kind of sucks, but yeah, what can you do? I was actually looking for schematics regarding this thing. No, there are none. And I will be actually using my small miniware soldering iron, which I bought some time ago, just to see how good this thing actually is. So yeah, this thing will be an experiment. It's USB. How awesome is that? I do have my trusted welder, but let's see how good this thing actually is. Okay, yeah. Now, as you probably read the title, it says my Ether Classic disappeared. And I had the same problem and I was so fucking pissed off. I mean, I had 50 Ethers, so you know, it would not be the end of the world, but you know, come on, Ether Classics. I was not happy about it. Anyway, let's see. This thing is actually powering on. Version 1.24 heating. Okay. How awesome is this? Sexy. Okay, and this is actually heating up rather fast. So yeah, the problem is that I used to have JAXX wallet, and I thought that there was something wrong with it, that they had a hack or a breach or something, because I did read that they had a breach some time ago, but it was not that. Now the idea was that Ether and Ether Classic used to be they used to have this thing, they used to have hierarchy. So for example, if you every time you would want to send somebody your wallet, a new one would be generated. And well, this thing actually does work, I believe, for Bitcoin. For Ether does not. And the idea is that every time the new wallet is generated, and the boy, this is hard. The if you had, for example, in the previous wallet, if you had something, in the previous wallet, if you had some crypto, you have to pay a fee to transfer it to the new wallet, and so on. So anyway, what multi-wallets actually did, okay, I'm placing this diode in here, they abolished, well, the multi-wallets, the Ether itself, they abolished the system, and this is actually quite easy to assemble. They abolished the system, and so for example, if you updated your wallet to the latest JAXX or whatever, even Trust wallet I believe, you will have zero balance. Now the solution to this problem is actually quite simple. Install older version of JAXX, the link will be in the description down below, and go to Tools menu, and go to Tools, and then find somewhere where they have the private keys of the Ether Classic, and search for the wallet that has money in it, and export that key and import it in the newer version, so upgraded version. I will be posting the link down below for the JAXX diode 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one goes like this. I will be posting the links for the JAXX wallets, the older version and the new one. And basically what you need to do is just restore with your, you know, 12 words. And that is actually it. Okay, this soldering iron, I mean, it is okay, but I don't know. Somehow I like my welder a bit better. Can I? Oh, it's 300 degrees. Okay, 310. So we are at 400 degrees. Okay. Okay, at 400 degrees this is actually not that bad, I would say. I do hear the I do hear this USB adapter making some noise. However, it is working properly. Okay. I do wonder what I need this diode. It is a small one, as you can see. To place it, as you can see, the schematics is actually written in here. It is, I believe this is quite easy to assemble, but you know what, we'll see. Oh, sorry. Wrong soldering iron. Now this iron is actually not that bad. At 300 most definitely not, but at 400 this is, yeah. I mean, for something that you can operate off of a battery, I would say this is a win in my book. So for diodes, okay, like this. Alright. Okay. What do you think? Will this thing blow up or not? I mean, I hope it won't. I mean, if I connected everything properly, it won't. But if I didn't... Now, regarding these capacitors, if you do not know which are the values, you can buy something like this, which is kind of awesome, because one, it identifies the component, and the other, it tells you actually the value. As you can see, 148 kilo ohms. So, 148 kilo ohms, so 150, this one goes in here. Okay, now I do need this screw. Let's go to my bedroom. Oh yeah, moment of truth. Will this thing explode? I hope it won't, you know. Okay, it did not explode, but does it work? So, a quick update. I removed my light and I installed this one. It's actually, it looks kind of, you know, it actually looks decent. Yeah. So let's see how good this thing actually is. And let's turn off my light. Okay, I would say that this thing is actually not that bad, because as you can see, you know, the room is lit up now. Okay, obviously this is nightlight, but yeah, not bad at all. Okay, bye bye.